With today's video, there is a twist.
I'm not sure what I agreed to.
We will each have $150 to spend on the Savage X Fenty site, and then we will ship them to each other in a mystery box, so then we can unpack all of our sexy new items.
I see some skimpy things.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to Clevver Style. I almost feel like today should be the Marilyn Monroe intro. Let's do it one more time. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Clevver Style. Today we're talking about panties, underwear, lingerie, undergarments, and other things that hold our lady corn purses.
We are gonna be talking about panties.
Oh, we're not just talking about any underwear lingerie company. Oh no, we are talking about Miss Rihanna's Savage X Fenty. But this is the thing. With today's video, there is a twist.
What?
We will not be buying our own undergarments.
I'm sorry, take that. Can we just take that back one sec? What did you say?
We have complete freedom to pick out what we think will just make each other feel sexy.
I'm not sure what I agreed to.
But here's the thing, we will each have $150 to spend on the Savage X Fenty site, and then we will ship them to each other in a mystery box, so then we can unpack all of our sexy new items.
I just don't wear lingerie. I think I got some for my bachelorette party.
I know Loryn is losing her over the thought of me picking out sexy lingerie for her.
Why?
Let's get this booty popping and let's go shopping.
All right, I need to tap into Drew. I'm tapping into Drew.
I know my Disney princess. I truly believe that every day is a very exciting day. Riding up your lady coin purse.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Clevver Style.
I think I figured out Loryn in regard to her style with clothes, but I wonder what she likes in underwear.
Drewy is a freaking model. And you know what models wear? Whatever they want. Okay, all right, I think I can do this. Did I do this?
I just have a lot of feelings.
I think with lingerie, it's important that you feel sexy, confident, and comfortable. I'm not gonna put you in any BDSM costumes.
Rihanna's faves. Let's start there because I don't know where else to start. I guess let's look at undies. Pretty. Okay, so I could do matching panty with the bra.
But look at this high neck bralette. This is cute. I feel like this could also double as the back of it. I feel like it could totally also double as a shirt.
This is classic, kind of like nude pink.
I think she'll love this, and it has neon colors. I know Loryn likes a mix of colors. The girl loves her some tie-dye.
Tie-dye. Wait, what is this? Crotchless string of pearls thong. Where did the pearls go, Rihanna?
Ooh, maybe some leggings, because Loryn loves leggings.
Oh my God, there's pasties. Should I?
I'll get her a bra. I did get her a bra. She can put some pants on with it. Oh my God, this is so cute. This snakeskin situation, and it's push up. Oh, Loryn, I'm gonna make your girl touch your neck.
All right, well, I have successfully put together my shopping cart for Drew. This isn't as, adventurous as I really was expecting. I was thinking some like kinky stuff.
Oh, I'm excited. I have some really cute things picked out, Loryn. I think you're gonna like them.
Several days later.
All right, y'all, the day has come. My package has arrived, and it is teeny tiny, which is a little concerning. A little bit. I need a drink. Ooh. Okay, see some skimpy things.
It's not every day that somebody, your coworker, buys you underwear, you know? Oh, okay. Oh, is that padded? Should we try it on? Cut to Loryn stressing the F out.
Why? Okay, so that's not so bad. Drew, you crushed it. Leggings are so cute. There is this copper writing, and I love copper, I love rose gold. The leggings have a really cute flare down here. This little sports bralette, very comfortable. Not a lot of support, so I think it's probably more of a bralette than it is a sports bra. Let me see, don't look. Oh yeah. That's enough support for me. It's so comfy. It could be loungewear, could be activewear. Off to a really good start. Feel great in this.
Ooh. She is feeling herself. This bra is First of all, okay, so I thought it was like super push-up. It's not, there's not any padding in it. Look at that, it has like the Savage X Fenty logo on it. Loryn, this is so cute. I would wear this either at sexy time or just under my clothes any day, because as you guys saw when Jackie and I did the lingerie video, it makes you just feel really good and confident when you're wearing lingerie under your everyday clothes. And then look, she also got me the matching panties. As you can see, they are completely see-through. Should I put them on over my pants?
Now watch me. Get it.
I would 1000% pick this out for myself. Between the color, the cut, the way it fits, everything I'm in love with. So I would definitely wear this. This is good. Rihanna, she's just looking out for us.
Ta-da! I love neon. This is the summer of neon. I think it's another type of workout top, but it has some cute adjustable straps in the back. It's very soft again. It crosses over into the loungewear category. That's my kind of outfit. The outfit you could put on in the morning, lounge in all day, and then when you're ready to work out, you've talked yourself into it, you just work out in the same outfit. I love it. I'm so cute. I just want to hug myself. Oh, I almost just took a little nap.
I'm in the hot pink bra. Never felt so pink Barbie in my entire life. Again, the fit is great. It's super comfortable. There's nothing poking at me or itchy. I don't think you guys can see it, but there's like organza, like wedding dress material over it, gathered with little rhinestones over the lace, and there's this little pink bow. This is not a bra that you wear under clothes. This is a bra that you wear when you want your bra to be outfit. You know what I mean? That will come off soon after. Cause ain't no way I could wear this under like a white tank top or a yellow tank top and it not show through. Loryn, you know me so well, because you know that I love pink, you know that I love sparkles, you know that I just like to be extra, and I feel like this bra is very like va-va-voom, you know?
Tiptoeing into the sexy savage part. This is a super cute little cami with some rainbow leopard situation going on. It's adorable, it's very playful. I like the little bows, it's very innocent. Actually, there's a matching bra underneath. The bra is the same pattern. It's so adorable. It's giving me like Lisa Frank after dark.
You're talking to Tiger Boots.
Yeah, I really like this.
I think Loryn got me every single pink bra on the site. I'm gonna keep my hands like here-ish because I can't tell if it's see-through. So this one is all underwire. There's no padding, there's no push-up, it's just underwire, which is super comfortable. It might look in the camera, because I am in front of the sun, almost white, but it's a light like baby pink and it's all lace. If I'm just like lounging around in my room, I might just slap this on with some shorts, because I don't know if y'all are in LA, but it is hot. I have any bras like in any other color other than black. So this is nice. These are good additions to my wardrobe.
This is so fun. This is like a hot pink ombre bralette. I guess first of all, I should say it is entirely see-through as it is lace. There's so much beautiful detail happening in the back. So far, all of the colors have been like exactly what I'm feeling right now. And again, so comfortable. A lot of bralettes can be really hit or miss, and this is for sure a hit.
Brianna, girl, you did us justice. I'm a very extra person, and you wouldn't think that my favorite bras would just be like a neutral, just simple color, but I'm telling you, it can go under everything. I like black bras. Oh, she's a bad man, pajama. Also, I love that it's a push-up. It got some padding. It's shiny. Can we talk about this back? Look at that. That is so cute. You guys are probably like, you're not gonna see the back of your bra. Why do you care? Somebody will. Or it's just fun for you, you know? Who cares? It's not all about the other person. It's just about you feeling like sexy and comfortable and just good. I would wear this under any outfit. I wear it by itself. Yes. Do you guys like them? They said yes.
Okay, so this bra is so cute. I really love when bras kind of peek out and when they're a cute pattern and you want them to peek out as part of your ensemble. This is so pretty, it's like iridescent. Aww. Man, if snakes were this pretty, maybe I wouldn't be afraid of snakes. I love this bra, I love this pattern. I want more things of it. I just gotta keep looking at it because I like it so much. Drew did a really great job. I am very nervous to see what she thinks of what I picked out for her. I'm gonna pick out my favorite, she's gonna pick out hers, and we're gonna text each other a picture and react to the other person's favorite outfit.
Okay, guys, this is my favorite one. I thought my favorite was gonna be the black bra because that's what all my underwear is black, but I love the hot pink neon orange one. Thank you, girl. Thank you for my underwear.
So this was tough, but I think out of all of the pieces that I really did like, I think this bra is honestly my favorite. It just is so comfy and it's so hard to find a good bra. Honestly, would have picked this bra out for myself.
Here, you sent me a picture of your favorite. I'm very excited to see which one it was. Yes, the snake skin. I love it. I also love it that you have it over your clothes.
Oh my God, Drew. This is phenomenal. All right, well that definitely was not as scary as I thought it was going to be. I should always know to trust Drew. When Drew's picking something out for me, I am in good hands. She has not let me down thus far. Well, now that I feel sexy and savage and fantabulous, you guys should click over here, over there, over here, over there, and go check out our videos and maybe go buy some underwear.